Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be doing a walkthrough of the Tiny Change Wellness Planner. I've gotten a few requests to do this particular video, so here I am and let's get started. This, I guess, is a newly launched planner from Tiny Change, and all of their planners that I have seen are quite elaborate and they go into quite detail. So I'm really excited to check this one out with you guys and also share my thoughts. In terms of the cover design, I'm really liking it. The ones that I've seen from Tiny Change are quite minimal, they look quite professional and stuff. So this one with a little bit of florals and some hand lettering and more colors, I'm really liking it. I think it looks quite good. This is definitely more of my preference when it comes to design rather than it being very minimal and plain. So the cover design is quite good. And then here they have given 12 monthly wellness themes are there, then daily mini wellness challenges, so live every day meaningfully, weekly wellness dashboard. Then it is a B5 size, so it's quite big. Plan 360-degree of life, so tasks, habits, budget, meals, and wellness. So I guess it's, rather than it being just a wellness planner, it looks like it's more of an all-in-one planner wherein wellness has been given quite a bit of a priority. Then colorful illustrations on the cover and across the monthly pages. So here is a snapshot of all the different types of pages that you are going to get. So you have like they've given a few details about how to do what, like how to achieve your goals, what sort of habits do you need to adapt. So it's is also along with it being an all-in-one planner, they've also given like a few tips that you might wanna that might be helpful for you, so that's quite good too. And then define your goals, so goal setting pages, then ideal weekly design. Okay, then you have design the ideal week that helps you achieve your goals. That's good. Yeah, like my guess was right. It is more of an all-in-one planner, but focused quite a bit on the wellness. Then design your ideal day, set up your mood tracker and exercise tracker, then plan the month in advance. So here you've got the monthly dashboard, monthly calendar view, and then make budget, track expenses, meal plan, eat healthy. Okay, this is a financial tracker and this right side is a food tracker. Then this is your weekly, so you've got that blocked weekly layout. Also like a habit tracker wherein they've already given habits for you. My favorite moments, key lessons learned, so these are like collection pages. And then you have quite a few stickers, so we do get a close-up view on the weekly page. Okay, I think this is what they were talking about when they said like every day you're going to get a challenge. So one of the days here you have strive to be your best version in anything you do, but accept that perfection is an unrealistic goal. In terms of your weekly wellness dashboard, they've given a couple of habits. Sleep at least 8 hours, made a plan for the day, ate healthy breakfast, 2 liters of water. So basic things in life. I think this is pretty doable. Doesn't feel like it's quite pressuring or something like that. You're gonna get stickers. Then it also comes in a gift box. I think it'll be a nice thing to gift to someone else. So this is great as an all-in-one planner if you're thinking about just using one planner but you want to keep wellness as your focus for 2023. If you want to get a few things in the line, like probably your habits are a bit off or your routine is not proper and you really want to focus on that for 2023, I think this is great. For me, I did that in 2020. I spent a lot of time to get a few things back on track and to start like basic habits, focusing on basic habits. For example, like eating on time and doing a little bit of exercise every single day. whether it's going out for a walk or doing a light yoga practice. It need not be a 1 hour routine. So things like that, I really focused on 1 year. I think if you are in that stage, this would be really great. For me right now, wellness is kind of a separate thing that I'm focusing on, and because of all the different aspects that I'm focusing on in my life, I like to have separate planners. That just is working for me right now. Probably it might change in the future, and that time I this would be more suitable for me, but for now I prefer having a separate planner for wellness. Also, you have to decide what wellness is for you. For some people, wellness might be living an overall balanced life. If that's the goal, this is perfect. For some people, wellness is their mental health. For some, it is their physical health. For me, it's a little bit of both. It's both mental health as well as physical health. But the way I work on my mental health is quite different. And also my approach and attitude towards it is quite different. But physical health is a lot of aspects in that is something that I've struggled with almost my entire life, and that needs a separate focus for me. It needs extra attention rather than for my mental health. So for me, I like to keep a separate planner and focused particularly on physical health rather than mental health, or both. So if, yeah, like I said, if this is your main goal for 2023, but you're looking at keeping just one planner, then this would be perfect for that. But also, by the way, there are a lot of templates in here, right? You can see even the weekly dashboard has these things. Probably this is the next in this image. Yeah. Even here, they have all the like habits written down there. In case, I think it's quite easy to white out and write your own. These are basic stuff. You're good. So if you're already have these things adapted in your life and you're looking to step up your wellness and the way you manage it a little bit more, then I don't think this is the planner. Basic stuff, you want to get back on track, you want to have the basics of your life laid down, like the foundation for it laid down, then I think this is absolutely perfect. And you have meal planner there, you have your ideal day, your ideal week, you have your financial trackers, you have goal setting pages. So all in one, like an all-in-one planner, this seems pretty good. And just one thing I want to mention regarding these challenges, they are nice, I feel, and also they're quite doable. Like a couple of them I saw now, and they seem to be quite doable. But sometimes you might be having a bad day, or it might just be a little bit too much. Don't be under the pressure to follow it. See how you feel about it. Don't use January or January first week as your measure, because you're way more motivated. Probably in Feb, see how it goes. If it's adding more complications into your life, don't follow it. But I think it's a nice thing that they have given there. And in terms of price, the actual price is 1899, but the current discounted price is 1049. I think that's a pretty good price, right? 1049 for a planner that is all in one. You have so many things packed into it. It is a 12-month planner. It is also quite big, so I feel this is pretty good. And let us see if there are any other features that are there. This we went through in the images itself. And well, I guess that is it. Okay, the page thickness is 110 GSM, which is good. I wasn't actually expecting it. I was thinking the page thickness would be a lot more lighter, like 90 GSM or something, because of the number of pages that are in here. But 110 GSM is a pretty good like quality for the price that you're paying. After 100 GSM, I don't think you should really have any issues with papers. And the delivery is pretty quick too. If you have Prime, I think you're gonna get it tomorrow itself. Or if you do not have Prime, you're going to get it day after tomorrow. So I don't think that's too late. And also, we're still in 2022, right? So it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, I guess that is it for today's video. Let me know what are your thoughts about this planner, or this particular video helped you. I would love to hear it in the comments below. Also, if this particular video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.